Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the PUBG new state FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see how is the FPS gonna maintain in this device while playing the PUBG new state. And in case if you are using this Realme GT Neo 2, please let me know in the comment section below what is your average FPS you're getting in your device. So that will be really helpful for a lot of other users and even for me as well to go through the readings and all the information. First, let me show you what kind of settings I'm trying to use in this game. So let's go to the graphics, and as you can see, I'm trying to select the maximum graphics every time. So just to see what happens if I try to select the maximum graphics. Now let me try to select the main match, and let's try. Well, I try to download the angle map as well. So right now, as you can see friends, the angle map has been selected successfully, and let's start with this map at this moment. And let's see how will be the FPS maintaining during this time of testing, and we should be able to see the real-time FPS as well during this process of demonstration. And let's select the Pro Gamer mode as well. And I'm trying to use the Realme gaming triggers, so it should be also a really interesting way to test it. So I am using these gaming triggers for the past I think 2 weeks of usage, and it's been really good experience playing with these triggers. It's very good and very sensitive as well. And right now we are in the angle map, and we should be able to see the exact FPS how much we are getting. We're getting about close to 60 FPS, not bad. So even with the maxed out settings at this range, and hopefully maybe after some few weeks we may get a 90 FPS config file or maybe GFX file somehow to play it, hopefully. So then we can actually understand what is happening with this device. Can it be capable of playing this kind of graphics or not? So meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below friends how many of you the users did like this kind of game, which is a PUBG new state gameplay. How many of users? So now we should be able to see the exact FPS count when you're trying to do the drop test in the poaching key. We are trying to do exact drop test in this map. Let's see what happens. So how much FPS it can actually decrease. So right now, as you can see friends, we're getting about FPS count close to 59. It's maintaining. So there's no floating FPS meter at this moment present in the Realme GT Neo 2, unfortunately. So we need to depend upon this FPS meter. So maybe in the Realme UI 3.0 we will be getting the floating FPS meter, so which will be really very useful for a lot of other users. So overall the FPS dropped up to 57 FPS during this process of testing. So 57 is the lowest value which I did see during this process of demonstration, exactly in this Pochanki map. So I'll try to do the little kind of gameplay, and then I'll try to end up this video. And definitely friends, the phone will be able to play handle 60 FPS without any kind of much issues. So it should not be that much kind of difficulty for this phone anyway. And sometimes it's very hard to find the enemies as well because of this graphics. It's sometimes, yes, and I do feel difficult in finding the enemies. So which is the most of the people that did complain. So anyway, the phone will be able to maintain 60 FPS without much kind of complaints regarding the using the maxed out settings. There should not be any kind of issues. So let's do the one more drop test exactly. Let's see what happens next in another drop test. So I just want to do the couple of drop tests, and then I'll try to end up this video as well, friends. So let me try to do the drop test now. So let's see if in second time how is the drop test going to maintain how much FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2. So overall throughout this time the phone was able to maintain very consistent with the FPS count, recording 60 FPS, no issues. And the CPU and the GPU utilization, you can see 25% and 20%, 25%. Slightly kind of very close in terms of the CPU utilization as well, not a huge difference. CPU and the GPU utilization. And overall this time the FPS we did see lowest about 56 is the lowest value which we did see. So 56 is the lowest value which we did see at this moment. And so in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below, friends, and definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video. And definitely even I'm really waiting for the Realme UI 3.0 to come in the Realme GT Neo 2 as soon as possible, because we do get the really good real-time FPS meter option. That's another best part. And during this process of demonstration, the temperature is not increasing much, I think so. Let me try to check the temperatures. I forgot to check it. Right now it's about 37.8 degrees Celsius, 38.2 degrees Celsius the temperatures. So 38 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature did increase, but overall after long time gaming I did see the temperature increasing up to 40 as well sometimes. And overall that's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Even the ping value is remaining really low as well while playing the PUBG news state. It was about close to 22 milliseconds. No problems with the ping value as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick testing on the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the FPS drop test, which I thought of just demonstrating for you all of the users. So even with the team deathmatch also, I think the phone should be able to maintain exactly really high FPS even with the normal team deathmatch. So we're getting 60 FPS even with the team deathmatch as well. So it should not be that much difficult playing. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.